Hi guys, one thing is now confirmed that CAT is going to be a 2 hours ka paper. Fine, there because there are three sections, so we assume and the COVID case is still going on, so we assume CAT will be a 2 hours ka paper. And with this strategy become very important. So we're launching our CAT Niti. Thank you very much to all my students who have got this name, who have given me this name. So CAT Niti is basically the strategies for the CAT exam. So going forward, all the strategy videos regarding how to take the mock, how to approach the paper, I'm going to count them under the CAT Niti brand. Okay, so in case you want to join our program, you can join over for the mock from the 35 world-class mocks. Find no stupid mocks like super tough mocks like that, all up to the mark. And today we have a demo lecture as well. In case you want to join us for the demo lecture or you want to attend the classroom program, just call the numbers given here. We've got 4 months ka time to the CAT exam, and trust me guys, you can still do it. We have enough time, trust me, to crack the exam, Okay, now come the main point, how the CAT strategy is going to change with the 2 hours ka paper. Okay, first of all, CAT syllabus is not going to change. Yeah, now for example, this title I've given to the video is how to strategize with the 2 hours ka paper, with a new strategy, I can give that new syllabus. Are syllabus to wahi rahega na yaar. Fine, syllabus will not change. Okay, syllabus will remain same. Fine. The only thing that is going to change is your mock strategy. Now, how many questions are going to come, we still don't know, because the exam is conducted by IIM Ahmedabad. I'm sure they will change something, because every time IIM Ahmedabad they've conducted the exam, they've changed something. And that's my advice to everyone. Rather than looking at the number of questions, fine, your preparation should be based on time, how much you can do in 40 minutes, verbal 40 minutes, DLR 40 minutes, and quant 40 minutes. What you can do in these 40 minutes is more important to know and to track than the number of questions. That's why in our mocks, some of the mocks we have 100 questions, some of the mocks have 75 questions, because I'm in the question only karega. Okay, so how you handle that is more important. Verbal you can handle, trust me. 40 minutes mean less of RCs. 40 minutes of quant you can still handle. Cut off the niche jayega yaar. I have interviewed 2 people, CAT 2019 topper, when there used to be 100 questions. His attempt was 20, average attempt was 20, 60 attempt to get 99.96 percentile, 99.96. In the new pattern, out of 76 questions, the 99.95 percentile attempt kitna 15. Your attempt automatically got adjusted. Why? Because 3 hours ka paper become 2 hours ka paper. And trust me guys, this is an advantage to you. The biggest advantage to you is that CAT is a 2 hours ka paper. Okay, you will be under less of stress. Trust me. The only trouble you are going to face is in the DLR section. आपने पैरा सेट किया और वो गड़बड़ हो गया, you are unable to solve, then you are gone. Fine, because in 1 hour ka time I could handle everything. So my advice is, how many sets you are going to target? First finalize that. In the mock today, that will increase obviously as we go along. For example, right now I only want to do two sets, set 1, set 2. So I've got 20 minutes ka time to go through 1, 2, 3 sets and pick up 1 set and solve it. Another 20 minutes to solve the next set. 2 कर रहे हो 2, 3 कर रहे हो तो 3, 4 कर रहे हो तो 4, whichever set number of 4 कर रहे हो तो average time per set become 12 minutes in that case. 40 by 4, 10 minutes. So that you have to decide. Today for the timing, even if you are doing 1 or 2 sets, that's more than sufficient. Fine, gradually improve. Yeah. DILR is going to be the most difficult area of the CAT exam. This is going to be the heartbreaking thing. Okay, so यहाँ पे आके थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आने वाला, because we have a time crunch, and if you falter in the suppose for first 2 set, then you are gone. इसके लिए let's focus more on DLR as well, because that I consider to be a orphan topic. कोई इस पे focus नहीं करता है. Everybody tend to ignore DLR. ठीक है? So only thing that is going to change is your mock taking strategy. And answer to that question, my simple G strategy for this topic is very simple. G मतलब गरीब student. Rather than looking at number of question, how much you can do in 40 minutes should be the main focus. Okay, because this is the complaint I'm getting from my student. Sir, ये बकवास है यार. Sir, किसी mock में 100 question है, किसी mock में 80 है, in some mock there is 76, some one mock there is 60 question as well. How to make my strategy? अरे भाई तुम नहीं कर पाओगे. Welcome to the CAT exam. We might come to know about the number of questions, you know when? On slot 1, on the exam day. सीधा 28 नवंबर को पता लगेगा. लास्ट ईयर सेम थिंग हैपेंड. वी केम टू नो अबाउट द नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन ऑन द एग्जाम डे. Fine. So I have to make sure I try different kind of mock. That's why your mock contain different number of questions. But मुझे क्या, I don't understand why. How does it make a difference? ठीक है. It does make a difference to all the toppers. Suppose I'm quant ka god. Give me 100 question, I can do 100 questions. In that case, in 40 minutes, you can do that many questions. आपको 30 क्वेश्चन भी देगा तुम कर लोगे, आपको 34 भी देगा दे दो तुम कर लोगे, आपको 25 भी दोगे, you can do everything. Then you are a god यार, तुम्हें क्या फर्क पड़ता है. बट गरीब आदमी कहां जाए. ओके, फॉर अ गरीब आदमी, not today, not tomorrow, on the exam day, your target is 10 question correct. Keep that magic number in mind. You are going to the main IIMs if you get 10 question correct. Worst case, you can get 8 question correct. If you are the open category, get me 8 question correct, you can still go to IIMs. If you're from the reserved category, 6 question correct in 40 minutes. Now total number of question 100 है, 120 है, 500 है. Trust me यार, I don't care, नहीं फर्क पड़ता उससे. Okay, in quant section, in DI section, most of the time you're going to sit like this. Next question नहीं आता, next ये भी नहीं आता, next ये भी नहीं आता. तो 40 मिनट में तुम कितना कर सकते हो, that is more important. Of course, if I give you more number of questions, you have bigger choice to choose from, no doubt about this. But more and more you reject the question, उतना तुम्हारा tension बढ़ता जाएगा. You will feel more stressed out. Okay, so I'll be launching more videos like this. In case you want to join our program, you can join our program. Or in case you want to, for the mocks, there are total 35 mocks. And in case you want to attend the demo lecture today 6 o'clock. I'm just starting off with that. Otherwise, you can join our program from Monday. So Monday we're launching our new batch. All right, all the best.